Today I'm gonna show you how to color gray hair. To cover gray hair, I have onion and lime, Colgate. Let's go start to make this natural to cover gray hair, guys. Okay, I don't want no chemicals, so I'm gonna go ahead to show you how to use this product. Okay, homemade, natural. First, I'm gonna go ahead cut the onion. Okay, cut the onion. Take off this right here. I'm gonna go ahead, chop this. One onion. I'm gonna make to put for long time. Okay, put in the blender. Very easy, guys. Sorry, in the blender right now. I'm gonna go ahead cut lime. I make 4 because I'm gonna use do for many times. So put 4 lime in here. That's it. I'm gonna go ahead and get lime in here. I got 4 lime. I'm gonna go ahead and finish all of this. See that? Make your hair shiny and beautiful. Colgate right here. Go ahead, put in here. Just like that. Let's go to blender. Okay, blend it. Okay, done. Beautiful. Okay, now filter. See that? Filter. See that? All juice gone. Juice all gone now. Done. That's it. Let's throw away. See that? I got the bottle right here. Go ahead. Put this one on the bottle. Let's go to put in my gray hair. Come on, let's go see. See that? See that, guys? My gray hair. See how much gray I have? I'm going to apply in the hair right now. Apply in the gray hair. in here and iron, that's old fashioned. So make your hair beautiful and healthy too at the same time, okay? Do about 2 times a week. Try it, guys. Okay, after that I'm gonna put for 30 minutes, then I'm going to shampoo after that. Do that twice, 2 or 3 times a week, okay? Try, okay? So I'm gonna see this if they cover my gray, right? Alright. Okay guys, see you later. Okay guys, I put for 30 minutes, okay? 30 minutes, I'm gonna go ahead and shampoo later. Okay guys, put 30 minutes in my hair and I'm just going clean out later to look like the hair kind of nice and vitamin shiny everything. So I'm going to shampoo. I'll show you later when they get back. Okay? Alright, thank you guys. Bye. Beautiful shine, the hair very beautiful shine. Look at this. Keep going doing every time, okay? Like 2 to 3 times a week. Hair's beautiful and soft. And take a look at the fronts. Not too bad, it's very good, okay? Keep going and then the gray hair about to cover, okay? Keep going, beautiful. I love it. Beautiful. See? Hair very shine, beautiful. Keep going. Alright guys. See you later. Thank you, bye-bye.